welcome to the online class of Monbretia School. I am Nazneen, your EVS teacher, and today I will start the new chapter, that is chapter 3. So for that you must take out your EVS book and take pencil in your hand for underlining some of the important words. Okay, so let's start our class. So see, this is the our chapter 3. Food is life. So why it is called food is life? Because food is very important for our life. Because without food, all living beings cannot stay, cannot live. Because foods gives us energy to do all works and keeps us healthy. Okay, so there are varieties of foods are present. Some of them which we are eaten as a raw, and some of them are we are eating by cooked. So the raw foods are like the fruits. You people are eating apples, mango, bananas. So that's are the raw foods. Okay, and in vegetables like carrot, cucumber, radish, these all are raw vegetables that can be eaten by, means it does not require to cook. It can be eaten as a raw. By washing it we can eat them. Okay, because it is soft and healthy to eat, healthy for us, and it's tasty. Okay, so now let's come to the chapter. Food. Food is very important for all living beings. It gives us energy to do all our work and keeps us healthy. So food is very important for all living beings. It gives us energy. It gives us energy to do all works and keeps us healthy. As I have told you earlier, there is a wide variety of food products present around us. These can be eaten either raw or cooked. Okay, cooking kills the germ. Why the cooking is important? Cooking is important because while we cook, we are cooking the foods, then it kills the germs present in the food and protects us from the diseases, various kinds of diseases. Okay, so cooking kills the germs present in food and protects us from diseases. Cooking also adds flavor and aroma to the food and makes it eatable. So that's why cooking is done, because it adds some flavors to the food and aroma, that is the pleasant, that is the smell. Okay, pleasant smell, that is called the aroma. Okay, to the food and makes it eatable. Food should not be overcooked, as overcooking kills the nutrients present in the food. Food should not be overcooked, because if it's overcooked, it kills all the nutrients present in the food. So here the meaning of, what is the meaning of nutrients? Nutrients is the substance which provides nourishments to our body. Okay, it's provide nourishment to our body and keeps us healthy. Some food items can be eaten raw. For examples, fruits such as apples, oranges, and come to the next page. Some vegetables such as carrot, radish, cucumber do not require cooking. Why? Because they all are raw foods. Okay, these foods items can be eaten raw as they are soft, healthy, and tasty. It can be easily taken by us. Okay, it does not require to cooked. Okay, because in raw only it is soft, healthy, and tasty. Nutrients in foods. The food we eat has many nutrients in it. As I have told you, students, what is the meaning of nutrients? Nutrients are the substance that provide nourishments to our body and keeps us healthy. Okay, these gives us energy because nutrients gives us energy and protects us from diseases and helps us to grow. So what is the function of nutrients? The function of nutrients is to gives us energy, protects us from diseases and helps us to grow. So the five main nutrients present in the food are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, minerals, vitamins. So carbohydrates you got from the rice you are eating, fats from oil, ghee, butter, proteins, pulses, okay, minerals from the milk, and the vitamins from the green vegetables that you are eating. So a diet which has the right amount of all these nutrients is called a balanced diet. So if what is called a proper what is called a balanced diet? So including all these five, if a person is eating including all these things, mean rice means some oil, ghee and butters, proteins like pulses, minerals, vitamins, green vegetables and milk, so it's called a proper balanced diet. So means a person is getting a pure balanced diet. Okay, apart from nutrients, a balanced diet also contains water and roughage. So apart from nutrients, balanced diet also contains water and roughage. Water is also important and the roughage, it's the what is roughage? It is the fiber that is present in the food. Okay, so today's class keep up to here only, students. In next class I will explain you explain you more, okay, to that chapter. So keep it up to here. Now your today's homework is learn question answer of chapter 2. Okay, read nicely. Thank you. Goodbye.